Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to an equivalent of Toys R Us in Russia called Kids World. It has a really cool kind of science area and a bunch of other stuff, so I'm excited to share this with you. First, we come into this main section, and Detsky Mir, which is Kids World in Russia, in my opinion is better than Toys R Us. I feel because in Detsky Mir you have like actual interactive stuff like this Lego display, and you can move stuff around in the Lego display without actually even touching any Legos, which I think is really cool. There are all sorts of gaming devices and everything in the store that you could just use, and I honestly think it's much better than Toys R Us. In this Lego representation, you can say, it depicts the Bolshoi Theater with actual moving cars, and you can control the car and you can control the train inside, and it has a little bit of the red square and a mountain in the back. This isn't what the Bolshoi Theater actually looks like because it doesn't have a mountain in the back, but still, it's really cool. Next, there's this walking piano thing, which I played on a lot. It was really cool. I had one of these, like a portable one, but this is way cooler. I played a lot of Mozart music, as you'll hear. Next, I went on this outdoor terrace with a really beautiful view. Take a look. The next thing I did in Kids World is I went to this scientific area called Experimentalium. It had a bunch of different experiments that looked really cool, and here they are. This contraption mimics the way waves move. Here are some more really sick experiments. This is an optical illusion. It may seem like the bird is moving, but actually your brain is just blending together the different frames of this bird moving, which I think is really cool.